Top Travel Trends 2023. Travel is finally back, and the industry is making a rapid recovery after being forced to shut down due to government restrictions. However, many aspects of the travel landscape have changed over the past few years, with new trends and ways of travel emerging. In this video, we are going to be talking about 7 travel trends of 2023 and how these trends are going to be making some astounding headlines. So, without further ado, let's get started. 1. The metaverse and travel. In the coming years, the metaverse will take traveler engagement to the next level. Travelers will be able to enjoy deeper cultural experiences in an online world, exploring virtual concerts and exhibitions from anywhere. The technology also offers enormous potential for pre-trip assistance and the opportunity to try before you buy, creating further wanderlust and excitement. This will become increasingly popular as a way to trial higher-priced items. In fact, Walt Disney County has plans to create a real-world theme park ride that incorporates a parallel 3D virtual world experience, while Seoul has plans to go meta by 2023, with a platform titled Metaverse Seoul. Also, quite recently, Qatar Airways announced Kaverse with a metahuman cabin crew, providing an immersive experience to tour, navigate and check in at Hamad International Airport. 2. Biometric payments. Biometric payments, via the likes of Apple Pay and Google Pay, among others, are now mainstream for both retail and travel payments. But, over the coming years, travel is likely to take biometric payments to the next level. Airports already use biometrics for travel document identification, so the logical next step is to leverage this identity check for any payments travelers make during their trip. If a traveler is using biometrics to check in, drop off luggage and board the plane, then these identity checks could double up to cover payments they make while traveling, like adding an in-flight meal. Airports and travel operators could offer a completely contactless payment experience for passengers with the use of biometrics, at all points of the journey. Small trials have already begun with travel retailer Hudson. The company has employed the Amazon One biometric payment solution at its store at Nashville International Airport, allowing customers to just walk out and pay with the palm of their hand. 3. Traveling light. A combination of customers becoming more conscious of their carbon footprint and cost of checked-in luggage is slimming down suitcases. As Amadeus says, multiple trolley loads of designer luggage are no longer a status symbol, rather, it's quite the opposite. Hotels and resorts are increasingly offering the hire of bulky items, such sports equipment and workout clothes. Those who do are also seeking to do so from hyperlocal suppliers to be all the more popular with guests. Alongside this, travelers are looking to buy essentials from the local destination, supporting and engaging with the community in the process and further ensuring they have meaningful travel experiences. Global brands such as Hilton are offering exercise gear and equipment, helping travelers get closer to a suitcase-free stay. In its report, Amadeus says it expects this trend to grow and evolve. 4. Working from home. Remote workers will settle into an increasingly nomadic lifestyle, migrating to different locations due to the widespread corporate formalization of work from anywhere policies. As a result, workforces will spend less time at their homes. Workers will opt to spend time with friends and family in their domestic market or might spend a month working abroad. From a governmental perspective, we will likely see the continued rise of countries encouraging digital nomads through visa programs and incentives. Countries such as Costa Rica, Georgia, Croatia, Iceland and Germany have already created official programs to attract digital nomads. To that extent, Nomadlist, a platform connecting a global community of remote workers living and traveling around the world, helps them find competitively priced locations to work from. The platform lists Bangkok and Lisbon in its top 5 cities for digital working. Amadeus has seen a search increase to these cities during September 2022 from select destinations. 5. Streaming services will inspire epic trips. 2/3 of global travelers have considered and 39% have booked trips to destinations after seeing them on streamed shows or movies. TV series and movies are powerful destination marketing tools. Places such as Croatia and New Zealand experienced a huge raise in the number of set jetters since they featured in popular TV shows. If you want your destination to benefit from this travel trend, better start partnering with international studios and film producers. Offering some sort of tax incentive is an alternative to attract their attention to your area. 6. Bonding business breaks. Business travel is back, but with a difference. Over the past few years, many companies have introduced work from anywhere policies. With this has come the challenge of team bonding and collaboration. As a result, we are witnessing an uptick in internal travel plans, where teams are brought together for the express purpose of strengthening relationships. American Express Global Business Travel even published a paper titled "Why Business Travel is at the Center of the New Company Culture." With employee experience being more important now than ever, team travel programs will increase exponentially as they are a good way to motivate teams, improve employee satisfaction, strengthen company loyalty, and unlock creativity. 7. Bucket list trips. Finally, travelers are prepared to splurge on their bucket list trips in 2023. Many people have realized that life is too short to put off those dream destinations for someday and are ready to make their travel dreams a reality now. Close to half of travelers admitted they are willing to spend more to maximize their vacation and make sure every experience is worth it. But they're going about it in a budget-savvy way. 2/3 of travelers said they will focus on travel hacking, deals, and timing to get the most bang for their buck, while even more said that budget is an important consideration when planning travel. That wraps up the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our uploads. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.